Your customers are out there, and they're trying to reach your organization. They may be trying to use your IVR, your web support portal, or mobile self-help app, or calling your team of live agents at your call center. It's good business to offer all these options. The problem is, multiple communication touchpoints create a fragmented customer experience. There's no continuity. Why? Because each touchpoint is usually created as a silo with little interaction between the systems or coordination between processes. Jacada unifies the customer experience for every touchpoint, resulting in a seamless conversation with your customers. At the IVR, by providing a more usable visual IVR experience. On the web, by connecting it tightly to your contact center and building new self-service flows for web or mobile devices. At the store, by streamlining customer service queries that slow down sales. And at the contact center, migrating the customer's initial self-service decisions with a simplified agent experience. Our solutions work cohesively as a platform. You can target a specific touchpoint to get started and then extend the results to other communication modes. In this video, we'll be looking at how to create interactions for the mobile and web platforms. We'll look at the designer to learn how to create interactions. In this example, we'll focus on mobile interactions starting with the interaction designer. We'll take a look at the full life cycle from creating and publishing an interaction to a customer using it on a mobile device to place a call to your organization. Finally, we'll look at analytics and interaction improvements. Let's start by creating a multi-touchpoint interaction. Creating multi-touchpoint interactions is actually quite simple, thanks to the business-friendly authoring environment of Jacada Interact. Just like a knowledge management system allows the business user to add new articles, Jacada Interact allows business authors to create new customer interactions for any touchpoint for immediate deployment. Of course, Jacada Interact provides an approval process and a rollback mechanism, just in case you need to undo something and go to a previous version. Interactions are created here, in the Jacada Interaction Designer. The designer's simple interface allows any content expert to create interactions with clicks, not code. But don't let the simplicity fool you. You can create very advanced interactions. With standards-based coding, your IT department can extend the interactions to make them transactional. The toolbar shows you the available controls to build your interactions: questions, statements, choices, decision nodes for business rules, and more. IT might want to drop in widgets that business users can then make available at the right place in the interaction. And even though these widgets allow you to call back-end line of business applications using most of the common integration technologies, the interaction author doesn't need to know how the back-end works. Now let's add a new option to show you how easy it really is. In the current tech support flow, we ask the customer to reset a home cable modem. Now that our IT department has added a remote reset widget, let's build this into our flow. We'll add a screen here to tell the customer we're about to remotely reset the modem. Then, we bring in this component and connect it to the reset modem method and continue with the regular flow. Now we can publish and approve this interaction, making it available to your customer. Here it is, for example, appearing on a customer's mobile device. This could just as easily be on a website or any other touchpoint. Jacada Interact ensures that at any stage, on any touchpoint, you can choose when to let the customer easily connect to the contact center, ensuring a continuous transaction to the voice channel. When the customer requests live help, the call is connected to the agent. The agent immediately sees the self-service path the user followed and all the data entered along the way. From the start of the call, the applications on the agent's desktop are automatically opened and staged at the correct screen with all the customer's relevant information, resulting in handle time savings from 30 to 60 seconds per call. Best of all, your customer care group can continue to monitor the effectiveness of the self-service interactions by generating graphical reports that show you problem areas. Those places in the interactions where customers are either abandoning the session, reaching out to a live agent, or simply taking too long to complete. Because both publishing the interaction and reports are done in real time, you can continually modify and improve your interactions until you get it just right. This short video only scratches the surface of what you can do with Jacada Interact. The same interaction we just built could be run on your website, on the agent desktop, and even in the store. The end goal? To provide a consistent, productive, efficient customer journey across all your touchpoints. Contact Jacada today for more information. Jacada Interact, the future of customer interactions.